Girls and guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Loving it. Right, we've got a BMW 330 or 335D. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's one of the two. Either way, it's a 6-cylinder BMW Denzel. Now, customer reports horrendous smell of emissions, exhaust gases inside the car. Remove the cover. Fairly simple to see this one. Well, it wasn't fairly simple, it took me a second or so. Mainly when you rev it, you can hear like a rush of air exiting the vehicle. And that shouldn't be like that. Remove the engine cover and have a look. When we took the engine cover off, behold, black death. All the emissions coming out of there. And I thought, oh, where's that coming from? Hold on. If we look here, we've got two little melty holes. Melted from the inside out, which goes in line with where the EGR valve cooler is. So that's not good. Now, before we get too involved in it, we gave the customer a choice of a smoke test and he said yes. So what I'm gonna do is remove the pipe, plug in the smoke tester, run it through test, and we're gonna see A, how bad that is, and B, do we have any other issues? So in the words of the old school celebrity deathmatch, let's get it on! And we're going to put the plug in, giggity, and got to connect the airline, and we'll get the smoke test underway. Right, she's in, and airline's connected, and pow, smoky time. Just to make sure we do have smoke. Yeah, she is filling up. Go on, fill the system up for me. Now, we sit, we wait, we make a coffee. Well, we didn't have to wait long, but what I was not ready for, which I've already had a look, is, if I put my hand here, it's not coming, like that one's pouring out, but there's a lot of smoke. Not a lot coming out of this, so from what I can see, look at that monster of a hole underneath it. That's a proper big hole under there. It is firing out, so could you imagine what that's like? Oh, there's another one. There's another one there, didn't even see that one. Jesus, what's happened to this thing, man? So I've got one hole, 2, 3, and God knows what's underneath that. Mental. Right, we need to get one of those pipes. One of these pipes. Whee! Oh. Ninja reactions there, people. So, got one of these, genuine from BMW. Part number, doesn't really matter, so rip the box. It's just called a funnel. Or a mixer pipe. Funnel. Don't really know what it is. Jesus, I'm going to break this. So part number 116178232244. Now, don't just go off my word. Make sure that it is correct for your car. Always ring the dealer and get it sorted. So in order to replace this, we're going to whip that off, undo that, undo that, undo that, undo that, undo that, undo these three, drop it out, take it out, put it back in. Job's a good one. Brand new seal, brand new gasket. It's going to be lovely. Right, nice and easy. 14 there, 10, 10, 10, 10, T25 or T30, E8 socket for the throttle body, and then I'm going to need probably two hands. Just bang my head on that. Yeah, I'm going to use two hands and crack that out. Nearly made a mistake. There's one more 10mm, which is where that socket is. It goes in there. So basically, looking at it from there, there's one that goes down the bottom. Nearly forgot that one. So it's 3 10mm at the top, 2 at the side, 3 E-sockets. Idiot, I should have compared it to that. Now this shit, there you go, beautiful. Now let's see how bad it is. Oh, right, cool. Just, holy moly. Nothing looks like it's gone through, which is good, but there's no reason for it to have done that. Look, see daylight through that bad boy. Bit of daylight there. It's concerning of what caused it, I'm not gonna lie. It is a little bit concerning. The only thing I can think of is maybe overheated on regen, shoved a load of hot air in there, but I don't know. Either way, that is a proper big hole. Either way, it is what it is, we're replacing it. All right, she's all back together, all well and good, everything's on and tight. Just gonna give it one more smoke test just to make sure that she is leaky free, because we do not need no holy moly situations. We want everything nice and sealed, all correct. So, smoke test time. Okay, well, the smoke machine's been on for a while. It's actually coming back up the pipe, which means it is very much full. So I'm very happy with this. So now, we'll start it up, we'll put that back on, get the smoke out, start it up and make sure everything's all good. Right, all well and good. Just took it on the road test, had the engine management light pop up. So we're gonna stick the launch on and, well, see what the faults are. But I'm probably guessing either I might have left something unplugged or it's still got the engine light on from the big holes in the inlet manifold. Let's find out, people. Well, cleared all the faults, start it up. Firstly, that light is gone. Sounds a lot better. Well, this one's all done. Faults are cleared. I'm gonna go on one more quick test ride before we're all done, but I mean, it drives fine. It's revving up lovely. No engine management light, no pending faults on the diagnostic. So I'm quite happy. So quick little test run and then I'll end the video. But I said that one's done. Odd problem, I've never seen that one before. And we've seen quite a few of these BMWs come through the door. I've never seen that. So yeah, if you have a strong smell of emissions coming in the car, worth just having a look at that pipe. Just got to lift the cover up. So this one's all done. Like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Really do appreciate you guys subscribing and watching what we do. Again, thanks for watching. This one is done.